Hello friends, good morning to all. Today we are going to start the practicals in human geography. As we know that there are various population indices which are used for the practical purposes, and today we have to see one indices out of this, that is infant mortality rate. So let us see what exactly infant mortality rate means and how it is calculated. So this is one practical for you, which is the part of population indices. As we know that population indices are important, so for the measurement and for the next management or the population control. So let us see what is infant mortality rate. Infant mortality is the death of young children under the age of 1. So let us see first what exactly the infant means. Infant is the child which is having the age below than 1 year. So the child, if it is died before the 1 year, then it is called as infant mortality rate. The death toll is measured by the infant mortality rate. In short, it is called as IMR, that is infant mortality rate, which is the number of deaths of children under 1 year of age per 1000 live births. Calculate IMR of Maharashtra using following data. Whenever we have to calculate the mortality rate of any region, we have to consider the 1000 live birth. Suppose in Nasik district, there is a 1000 birth of children, then how much among them are died? That is called as infant mortality rate of the Nasik district. So let us see how to calculate the IMR of Maharashtra using the data. So this is the data of Maharashtra. Particularly this data is year wise, from year 2000 to 2019 there is a data, and this is the mortality 48, 45, 45, 42. Means what it indicates? It indicates that in 2000, in the year of 2000, there is 1000. If we consider 1000 birth of children, then out of that 1000, 48 children get died. So means remaining 952 children only were live. So that is the mortality. So 48 get died, and that's why this is the mortality of that particular year. So how we have to use this data for showing the mortality rate. Let us see. So this is the graph. This is, as we know that this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and x-axis particularly remains constant. Whatever the constant values are there, we have to put over here on the x-axis, and whatever the changing values are there, we have to put that values on y-axis. So from 2000 to 2020, this is the constant year, because years are constant and dates have varied, as we have seen in the previous slide that dates are varied. In some years there is 45, somewhere there is a 48, somewhere there is a 46. So there is a changes in the mortality, and that's why the changing values we have to put over here, and the constant values we have to put over here. Means constant value on the x-axis and changing value on the y-axis. So this is I just put this in the Excel format, and I just get this graph by using Excel format. It is a very simple method to put the data in the Excel format, and you can simply get the graph in a simple form, that is the mortality of particular year. So in 2000, whatever the value that is in between 40 to 50, we have already seen that is in 2000 there is a 48 mortality. So here is a 48. In 2001 there is a 45. So there is a change in the graph, and accordingly there is a decrease in the graph. We can interpret the map even. So from 2000 to 2020, how the graph get decline and how the mortality get decreases. So we can write it in the interpretation even. So at the same time, we can compare the mortality with related to data. So in 2000 there is a more mortality, while as in 2019 there is a less mortality. There are many causes to decrease the mortality, but we can compare and we can interpret the same. In a simple form, we can show this graph in this way, and if we want to show in this mortality year wise, we can simply put this data into the Excel form and we can just draw the graph. Since from 2000 to 2019, here is a simple formation of graph of mortality, and this one is a rate that is from 0 to 60, and we know that there is a 46, so there is a 40 starting from 46, and the last value is of 18 only. Here is over 18, so there is 18 in 2019. So this is all about the infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate is a very simple and very easy way of presentation or to form a graph. Any data of any region we can show with the help of graph. So this is all about the infant mortality rate. Today we stop here. Thank you very much.